Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, Maria, and today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can animate your thumbnail like this or your video like that for your YouTube intro videos. So I'm gonna use Movavi and I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the animation for your thumbnail and for your videos. So without any further ado, let's do this. Here we are guys, so now we're on Movavi homepage, and then what we're gonna do here first is, if you can see here, it says edit videos. So we're gonna click this one for our new project. Just click this one and then it will open our workplace to work on. So from here we're gonna add the files. We're gonna get the videos before we edit it. Okay, so here, this is, I think this is the bit that I made it, so I'm gonna put this one here. So just upload all the images or the thumbnails or videos that you want to play into your YouTube intros. So import all of your videos that you need, the thumbnails, the images, the pictures that you want. So all right, so now once you upload all the images, all the thumbnails or the videos that you want to insert into your YouTube intro, then we're gonna do here is we're going to play this because we wanna find the seconds or the time that you pointed somewhere here and somewhere there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to play this one. Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, Maria, and today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can animate your thumbnail like this. You're going to post here and then go here and find the thumbnails that you want to put on your, where you're pointing it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one and I'm going to put on top of this. All right, so now as you see, it is on top of the video that I posted. Okay, so because this is so big, so you can always adjust this. Okay, you can just make it a little bit smaller and then you can drag it wherever you want. Since I'm pointing here, I'm going to put it here. All right, and then you can also make a little bit smaller if you want to. You can just adjust it. Okay, so let's do some animation for this. So what we're gonna do here is click the animation, and then it will, you can choose a lot of animation here that you want to. So if you want to choose that one, it will do like this. Okay, so let's preview it. Okay, so I'm gonna start a little bit here nearby, like this or your video like that. I think I might move a little bit here for the like this. Let's see. Like this or your video like that for you. All right, so you can always adjust if you think that you're pointing for the, it's not the time to pop up your thumbnail like this or your video like that. Okay, so I pose for the like that, and then I'm going back here and to grab another thumbnail for like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to add here plus another video track. Okay, so I'm going to put this somewhere here, I think like this and like that. So what I'm gonna do is we're going to see how. All right, so let's try this or your video like that for your YouTube intro video. Okay, so now once you put it here, you're going to double click this one and then you're going here to overlay it. Okay, I'm gonna double click this one and we're going to do the another overlay for this. So picture to picture, and as you see is here, so I'm going to put over here for like that. I'm gonna make a little bit smaller, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, and then I'm gonna do some animation for this. Click this one again and click the animation, and you can choose whatever animation you want. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's play this one. Like this or your video like that for your YouTube intro video. Okay, I think I need to move this one a little bit here, and let's see. For your video like that for your YouTube. Okay, so it takes a little bit time, guys, for you to see the seconds where you need to stop. If you want your images or your thumbnails to stay there until you finish your intro, what you're gonna do is just to drag it here until the end of your video so it will stay on your video. All right, so now if you want to, to cut this one, what you're gonna do is just to move this one over here, and same as this, so it will disappear at the same time. But we have to listen to this where you want it to disappear.
So I'm gonna use Movavi, and I
All
will.
right. So now, once you've done with that, you're good with that, you already point this and that, you animate it, you add your thumbnail or images. So if you want to say, I'm going to use Movavi, so if you want to put some text in here, what you're going to do is just to click this text, and then here there are a lot of text that you can use for your video. So for example, you want to use this text, what you're going to do is just to double click this one and it will pop up here. And then what you're going to do here is to add somewhere where you want, you say you want to use Movavi, right? So it will just pop up here somewhere, but we're going to listen to it where you said Movavi.
So I'm gonna use Movavi, and I'll.
Okay, I think I'm going to move this a little bit somewhere here. Movavi, and double click that, and then you can type the word Movavi. Okay, and you can change the font here, so there are a lot of font that you can choose from here. So just play with it, guys, and then you can do like this, or you can just slide it. It's all up to you guys, right? So then you're going to apply this, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so let's listen again.
Or your video like that for your YouTube intro videos. So I'm gonna use Movavi.
And now I'm gonna use Movavi. You see it pops up there somewhere. I think I'm gonna move a little bit here, somewhere here, and I can just cut this Movavi or leave it until I finish my video. All right, so once you've done with that, and if you want to put or add some background music, what you're going to do here is to go to this plus sign and click this music. So here in Movavi, there are a lot of music that you can ready to use. Or if you want to use your own music, what you're going to do is to go to the file and import the music that you want. Okay, so go to your folder where all your music are. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one and it will pop up here. So what you're gonna do here is to add an audio track. Okay, click that plus sign, add audio track, and it will, you can just drag here at the bottom and it will add your track. Okay, so let's listen. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again. All right, but it's too loud, right? So what we're gonna do here, there are two ways that you can do it. You can just, put it down a little bit like this, or you can just leave it like that and then go to the tools, and here you can go to your equalizer. Okay, so now here you can balance your music if you don't want to, too much loud because you're talking, so it sounds like so annoying. So you can do your preset here, so you can just use it all the time. Every time that you want to use that music, you can just create a preset, and just you can click this one, and it's just easy, it saves time. So let's hear this.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, Maria.
All right, so now once you've good with that, you can always put an add volume point here and another volume point over here so that your music fades out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just drag this one down here and it will fade out. Okay, and then I'm going to split this one because I don't need this part. So what you're gonna do is just to delete this, and as you see here for the last, that it will fade out, right? So that's how you can insert your music, your own music, or you can use the Movavi music. That's how you can insert your thumbnails or any other images or videos into your intro for your video on YouTube. in Movavi. All right, so I hope this helps, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know down the comments, guys, for what kind of editing software that you are using to edit your videos. So please share and like this video, guys, and hope to see you next time. See you. Bye.